Hi guys, welcome to the next video session. This is the third video session of creating test automation framework from Google's Puppet Test Automation Node.js library. So Puppet is a Chrome headless implementation. So let's see how we can actually create a data-driven Puppet framework. So up to now we have created Kickstart Puppet framework within our machine, and we have created the page objects model. So next one we are going to do is we are going to transfer all these test this email address and the password and plus the URL into a separate JSON file, and we are going to call it from there rather than hard coding the script. So what we are doing is we'll open up a new notepad and we'll have this JSON variables URL, email and category. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to save as and C drive Puppeteer Automation, that is my folder, and I'm going to name it as data.json file, and I'm going to save it as all files. Save it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call my call the data.json file, the data within this data.json file through my test script. So let's do that. So what we have to do is first we have to import the data.json file. So that we have to say I'm importing the data.json file which is in my automation folder, and I'm assigning it to variable. So that is I have done. So now how do we use this one? We try to replace this with data dot, and I will have to refer back URL. So let's see data dot URL, and we'll save this and rerun it and see whether our script is getting data, the URL value from the data.json file. So I executed it. I hope it will run without any errors. Once run, we'll check the screenshots. So you can see the system time, the date, time at the date, so 7:48. So it has successfully executed. So we'll try to open up one image that is created by the Puppet framework. The most easier way is to open it as edit. So you can see that it has taken the URL from the JSON file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this with the other values here. So data dot, go refer back to our JSON file, it will be as email. So let's copy this one and add data. So we have to give the name and it will fetch the value. So JSON files store data as name value parameters. So I have done that here. So then the next one is the password. So data dot, what we had to is we had to go and get the password. So let's put this and save it and rerun it and see now data should be taken from the JSON file, not hard code stuff. So let's see whether our script is running so successfully. So script execution is completed. So let's see whether we are getting it. 750, yes. And let's see, we'll close it and we'll go as edit. You can see that it takes from the JSON file. So this is how we do data driven with JSON in the test automation framework which we create from Puppeteer. Thanks guys, hope you like the video. If you like this video, please put a like in the LinkedIn post. Thanks.